Hello, and today we're diving into some real life examples of how solar energy can power homes even through the toughest storms. We'll be exploring Babcock Ranch, a community that stands out for its innovative use of solar panels. The emphasis is on how this community bent its efforts around total sustainability via solar energy. This isn't just about sustainability, it's about resilience. Solar panel resilience and hurricane ready housing in Babcock Ranch show us that it's possible to design communities that not only survive but thrive in extreme weather conditions. Again, as we move forward, let's consider how these examples can inspire us to rethink energy solutions in our own communities. Babcock Ranch, a solar powered town, that is. Babcock Ranch is an impressive example of a solar powered community. Nestled in Florida, this town is powered by an 870-acre solar farm. That's a massive area committed to renewable energy. The farm houses about 700,000 solar panels, generating 150 megawatts, more than enough to meet the town's need. That is 150 megawatts. This abundant energy supply has kept the town running, even during fierce hurricanes like Ian and Milton. What's truly remarkable about Babcock Ranch is its infrastructure. The community has buried power lines, which are less vulnerable during storms. It's built on elevated land and its advanced stormwater system effectively manage heavy rains, that is. These features make it a resilient and forward thinking town somewhat. Remember, Babcock Ranch isn't just about solar power, it's about building a community ready to face the challenges of our climate. Do solar panels survive storms? Question here. Let's delve into the resiliency of solar panels in storm conditions. You might wonder, can they really survive extreme weather? The answer is a rounded, resounding yes. Solar panels today are rigorously tested to ensure winds ranging from 140 to 170 miles per hour. Consider real world examples like the Puerto Rico VA hospital and Duke energy farms have good that have stood strong. That is Babcock Ranch, which we just talked about, also remains powered through severe storms. What makes these installations successful is their secure and compliant setup, especially under Florida's stringent wind codes. The robustness of solar panels is evident when we look at the numbers. The damage rate is remarkably low, only about 0.1%. That is zero out front, 0.1% each year to be recorded. Each statistic underscores the durability and reliability of solar technology. With the right installation, solar panels are not just a sustainable choice, they are a resilient one too. Why do some homes survive hurricanes? Good question. Let's talk about why homes withstand hurricanes better than others. First, consider resilient communities like Babcock Ranch and Hunters Point. These communities are thoughtfully designed to handle severe weather. They feature hurricane rated buildings with impact resistant windows, securely strapped roofs, and sealed systems that offer extra protection. Additionally, talk about elevation. They're built on elevated land, which helps prevent flooding. Underground utilities further reduce the risk of power outages, and efficient drainage systems manage stormwater effectively. Another key feature is the integration of solar power with battery backups, ensuring these communities maintain continuous power even during storms. This combination of smart design and renewable energy that is truly sets them apart. By focusing on these elements, communities not only survive hurricanes but thrive in the aftermath. It's a testament to the power of thoughtful planning and innovation. Are Florida homes hurricane resistant? Let's dive into how Florida homes are designed to withstand hurricanes. After Hurricane Andrew, building codes were revamped to ensure homes could resist winds over 150 miles per hour. This is a major step in making homes safer during these intense storms. Key features include concrete walls, hurricane straps, and impact glass. These elements are vital in providing protection against the fierce winds and debris typically encountered during a hurricane. Advanced communities there is like Babcock Ranch and Hunters Point go beyond these requirements. They utilize elevated terrain and sealed systems, offering additional layers of protection. It's impressive how these communities set a new standard for hurricane resilience. Remember this, these design strategies aren't just about surviving a storm, they're about thriving through it. Moving on to the conclusion. Summary and takeaways. Let's conclude by going over the summaries and takeaways. Okay, now moving on into a wrap up time. We're talking about conclusion of the presentation. As we wrap up, let's revise some key takeaways again. First, solar communities such as Babcock Ranch not only endure but thrive during major storms. This resilience is a testament to their thoughtful planning and design. Secondly, solar panels have proven to be both storm resistant and low maintenance. This makes them an ideal choice for homemakers looking to secure sustainable and reliable energy solutions. And finally, looking forward, thinking as it relates to the topic, focus on hurricane resilience is in new structure, construction that is across Florida shows a promising trend. So upward trends. They care more about new construction methods. By combining these clean energy initiatives with strategic disaster planning, we paved the way for a safer, more sustainable living environments in the future that is to come. Now, I want to conclude with solemn respect for the aftermaths of storms and ways to increase efforts to remedy this demand. Please connect with this channel today, folks. Again, thanks. Let's get ready. And I must say, these steps are not just about surviving storms, they're about thriving in the face of them. Thank you for your attention.